Special package came in. And no, it's not a HD TV. EXY10. Let's see what's in the box. There's nothing in there. Because it's right here. Finally got this in. I ordered this from Japan. There was one on eBay selling for like $220. And I'm like, what the heck? So I did a little bit of research, and I found this for $115. I found on this website. I forgot the name of the website, but I will put the website's name in the description below. It's a Cusco front strut brace. It said it works for the Toyota Cynos and it works for the Toyota Sera. So that means that Paseo strut bars work on the Sera. As you guys can see, it's on a hanger. That's how they do it in Japan. They hang this stuff up. Pretty cool. Let's see this. That is a part number. If you put that in 167510A, you can find a Sera. Let's see what that says. Vacanza Cusco. I did not take it out of the wrapping because I literally just opened this up out of excitement. Totally forgot to record. Comes with a little Cusco sticker for that added bonus of horsepower. Very, very nice strut bar. Now this one, it adjusts so you get to make it. So when you put on the car, however you adjust it, you get to make it smaller or wider, depending on the car. I guess it's the Cynos or the Sera. So then you just tighten up the lock nuts right here so it won't move around. Right now you can move it around. If I can just twist this side. That side's still like this. This side's up. But as you guys can see, you can just lock it up right here. I'm very, very happy about this because I was literally about to buy the one for like $230 on eBay. And then I said, let me just do a little bit more research. And, found it online on this Japanese website. And I got really happy because when I converted over the Japanese yen to US dollars, it was like a steal of a deal. So, guys, that shows do your research because if you find the first thing and you don't think you can find it anywhere else, I mean, there's something out there that someone has it for cheaper. And same exact part number. I made sure to check the eBay listing. Same exact part number, same exact everything. But yeah, I'm going to install this puppy bad boy onto the puppy bad boy. And yeah, this is going to be terrific, I tell you, terrific. Okay guys, so looking at the instructions, the only thing I can understand is this product is designed for use in Japan only. It must not be used in any other country. So, yeah, we're just going to ignore that. So they're going around here and stuff, and they have different tools, and this is for the different designs of their strut braces, and this one is the one I'm going to be installing. I don't understand the instructions, but installing a strut brace is pretty simple. I've never installed a strut brace like this before with this center screw thing, but it looks like it's self-adjustable. And I think it's adjustable because it could be fitted on the Cynos and the Paseo and what I'm installing on the Sera. So there's nothing else to see on here. But yeah, I'm just going to try to figure it out. Came with an extra card where it shows the part number 167510A EXY10. That's the Sera's chassis number. And I'm going to keep this because I always keep all my records for anything I put on the car and anything I do. Comes with the zip tie for some odd reason. I don't know what the zip tie is for. And then it comes with this awesome sticker. Progressive Equipment, Cusco Racing. I don't know if I should stick right there, or if I should stick right there, or if I should stick it right on my forehead. I don't know, but we'll figure it out. Alright, start unbolting things. Okay guys, so I mocked it up right now. These are 14 millimeter nuts right here. You just take them off with the regular 3/8 or a 1/2 inch ratchet, if you will. 14 mils. And so what was going on was it fit before, but then this was uneven. And I thought that was kind of weird that it was uneven. So what I did was I took these nuts right here, you just loosen them up, and I brought them all the way to the center, both sides. And then I brought these all the way to the center also. And what I did was as I rotated all the way. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. I just kept on rotating it. And I just kept on doing it on both sides. So I'll stop at 10. It was too short. I went to 15. It was just right. 15 on this side, rotations. 15 on that side for rotations. And then, what's it called? And then it fit 15 rotations. Now, my rotations might be a little bit different than yours. Let's just say, like, let's say, I don't know how to explain it, but I did it as even as I could do it. So I did whatever I thought was 15, I did 15, and then I did 15 on that side. So that way they can evenly disperse this. So now I can just tighten this up. I'm going to grab adjustable wrench, and I'm going to tighten this down. Or if I have a wrench, I don't know what size this is, but I'm going to grab an adjustable one, tighten that down. And then I'm going to tighten these down because I just wanted to see if it will fit. This hose right here just leans up against it. It's no problem. It's not going to damage it. I don't see any damage at all. Just barely sits on it. But other than that, it looks like it's going to be sitting there good. All I got to do is tighten up to 14 mils and tighten that up, and it should be good. Once I do that, then I'll just show how it is. Okay guys, so I got my adjustable wrenches on there. What I did first was I tightened these down because I noticed that when I didn't tighten them down and I try to adjust that, it will start lifting. So I tightened them down on both sides. And now with this, you just tighten it up as much as you can and you just pull down. Wherever you feel it's going to be tight, wherever direction for this is down. So you just pull down and make it as tight as you can. Be careful not to like strip the nut or anything like that. I mean, you won't strip the nut, but I'm just saying like you don't want to bend anything. It's very sturdy, like I'm shaking the car with it, but I'm just saying like just make it as tight as you think you should make it. But mine's like pretty tight because the car's going to be flexing and the strut brace is going to try to do its thing. So I want it to be as tight as possible. So basically, guys, that's it. I'm going to install the sticker on there, and that's an installation of the Cusco strut brace. Very simple. It's a very unique strut brace. I've never installed a strut brace like this before. But yeah, hope you guys found this useful. And hopefully, if you guys are in the market for a strut brace for your Sera or your Paseo or your Cynos, this is a really good price right here by a really reputable company, Cusco. I'll definitely recommend this strut bar.